Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to save this file and or save as or save a copy of it. So we will not talk about the save copy, but we will talk about save and save as. Okay, I want to save this. I can come to here and go to Control S or click on this, but I want shortcut. Okay, I want the shortcut. Let me press this one so you can see it. Okay, Control S. Okay, I'm just going to the desktop. I'm just selecting the desktop. Okay, for my file to be saved, and I will just say what I can do is that I can show the backup Blender files, images, text files, volume files that are hidden. I can save them, but it's not shown. It means that it shows only the folders and Blender files if I save something. It's same as like Control O. Control O. Let's go with this one. Let me save this one and I will show you with the Control O, means Control open. Control S, I'll just press Control S and I'll show you this one. The sizes. This means for example you want to come to this one, the programs. Let me show you this one. My first Unreal Engine 5, and what I will do, I will just, if I didn't know that I went too much into this one, into this folders, and I am lost, what I will do to come back to the desktop, I'll just click on this one, parent file, move to parent directory, and I can go click and I'll go back to it. Do you see? Again, I can go to here and go to here, but I can use this one going to previous folder or go to the folder that we entered right now. For example, in skin and remix. Now we are in skin remix. I can go to skin again by this, and I can go to the remix again by this. Do you see? And if I want to refresh something, I will just refresh it by this. Do you see? And I can create a new directory or new folder like this. For example, I just click it on this and I'll just write a test. Okay, test. I'll enter, and I'll just save. I'll say Blender, let's say 01. Okay, and I'll save it. Do you see? And I saved this one. Do you see it? And if I want to open a new thing, for example, I'll go to here and it went. Do you see? I just used F4 and I went to the general and I want to open it. I'll go with Control O and I see that my Blender file is in the test. If I go to the desktop, I can see it. I can go to the test. Let me go to the test. And I can see it. It's like this. Do you see it? Do you see it? And I can go to display mode. I can show it like a thumbnail. Do you see it? Isn't it cool? Right? I just right click it. I am going to make it vertical list. It's like that. Okay? I can open it. I will just open it. And I made some changes. I'll just make some changes. I just press G and go like that, and I want to save this file. I can make Control S. I can save it from here to the file that I used. Do you see? Control S, it will be saved. Save it Blender. But again, I want another thing, which is that when I press G and I want to or like, for example, I will just select this one and Shift D and I put another one here. But I don't want the if I save it, I want to save this, yeah, but I don't want both of them in one file. I want in a separate file. What I'll do, I can go to here, go to the Save As, or Shift Control S. Shift Control S will be Save As. Okay, you see, I don't want to be same, so I'll just click on this one. I'll just add a value. It will be 0 2 automatically. It's very cool, and I can save it. Do you see it? I saved this. If I want to go to the backward file, I'll just press Ctrl O, and I'll go to the here. You see, this one was the previous one. If I want to go to the new one, I'll just press Ctrl O, and I'll go to the second one and open the other one. This was it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.